everyone, our friends from the media influencers, and of course, our key opinion leaders to the exciting launch of our new offer, the McCafe Summer Brew. So you've been finding out a little more about it, so you've been taking pictures. Thank you so much. And we have more in store for you today. Personally, I'm very excited. I love coffee and obviously, I love McCafe. And my personal favorite is the original McCafe iced coffee, especially in this very hot weather. But I'm always open, of course, to having more favorites. Kanina tinanong, how many times do you drink coffee? A lot of you said 3?
2 or more.
2 or more. I am the same. My habit is I drive through for McCafe iced coffee every morning. I have another cup of coffee in the office, and going home, I drive through again for my 3rd cup. So I'm a 3 a day kind of iced coffee drinker. Okay, so just a little bit background on McDonald's and why we are doing this. So McDonald's Philippines, again, is owned by our chairman and founder, Dr. George T. Yam. We've been operating here in the Philippines since 1981. We have over 740 stores all over the country, and we employ over 65,000 Filipinos. And the employment that we provide is, of course, regular employment. Dahil sa McDonald's, hindi po kami nag-contractual ever. And tuloy-tuloy lang. So can I hear a round of applause for that? So ang iced coffee na ina-enjoy nyo ay gawa ng mga regular crew members namin. So, aside from that, McDonald's Philippines actually growing at an aggressive rate. So we ended 2023 by opening 50 stores. And this year, we're opening at least 60 stores. And for the next couple of years, we'll be opening an average of 50 stores. So the growth of McDonald's Philippines is not just about opening more stores, but doing things better. And what is this thing? It is serving delicious, feel-good moments for everyone. So what we are trying to do is, of course, improve the taste, the quality of our products. Not just the new ones, but of course, even those that you have grown to love over the years. Okay, so we consistently work to ensure that we remain relevant and responsive to the changing market and consumer demands, especially for Gen Z. Taas ang kamay ng totoong Gen Z.
Ano ba yan? May totoo?
Meron talagang totoo kasi pag ginagawa ko yan, maraming parang ako nakikitaas ng kamay kahit hindi naman Gen Z. And when we talk about Gen Z habits and consumer behaviors, we have seen just how much the coffee culture has exploded, especially in the past few years. Everyone that you see holds a cup. Whether you're going to school or to work, may hawak yan na baso. And pati rin yung wide range of tastes, brews, and formats that coffee is now available. If you throw it back to 10 to 20 years ago when you were growing up, ano lang ang kape na nakikita nyo sa bahay? O yung mga PX, mga Taster's Choice. Yan na, lumalabas na yung mga nagbubukas ng balikbayan box. But today, coffee has become so much more exciting with all the different flavors, profiles, formats, and even ways to enjoy coffee. And that is why, actually, did you know that the Philippines is one of the top coffee consumers in the region? And that is why McDonald's is really committed in ensuring that we remain a strong contender and really secure a place in the hearts of our consumer amidst this coffee culture. And that is why this morning, you will be experiencing and tasting for the first time before everyone else our new McCafe flavors. And another tidbit, piece of information, but meron mong makakahula kung anong year una naming ni-launch ang McCafe iced coffee. May prize sa akin na makakahula. Taon.
2006.
Up.
2010.
Congratulations! Yes, did you know that McDonald's was the first quick service restaurant in the country to offer iced coffee 24 hours a day across all its channels. So, many years after, we are still here and we are still playing to ensure and to solidify our leadership in coffee. So I hope you're as excited as I am to really taste our new flavors and of course, share it to your own community. So dahil mainit, ang init-init ngayon, talagang mag-i-enjoy kayo. At meron akong konting sharing na ang coffee talaga, we believe it is an occasion and a product. Why it's an occasion? Maraming nangyayari sa pa-coffee lang. Marami rin nagtatapos sa pa-coffee lang. At maraming nagkakainlaban sa coffee lang. And so with that, enjoy the rest of the morning and enjoy our McCafe Summer Brew. So thank you everyone.